Is your Amarok's alarm constantly going off? The most common culprits are the hood switch, interior monitoring system, and the battery. Start by checking the hood switch for corrosion or misalignment. Even a small amount of dust can cause issues, especially after off-road driving. Next, ensure the interior monitoring system hasn't been accidentally disabled or is malfunctioning. A weak or failing battery can also trigger false alarms due to voltage drops. Modern Amaroks, particularly those with lithium-ion batteries, are susceptible to parasitic drain from faulty alarm modules. Scan for fault codes using a tool like VCDS. B113 often indicates a hood switch problem. Resetting the alarm by holding the lock button on your key fob for 10 seconds or briefly disconnecting the battery can sometimes clear the error temporarily. For hood switch problems, cleaning or replacing it is often the solution. This is a common fix that resolves false triggers. If interior monitoring is causing issues, consult your owner's manual to re-enable it or visit a dealership for a software update. For battery-related problems, install a new battery or address parasitic drain to stop the alarm from triggering repeatedly. Newer Amarok models benefit from over-the-air software updates that can remotely calibrate the alarm system. Electric and hybrid Amaroks have fewer alarm issues because of better battery management systems. Looking ahead, AI-driven diagnostics and the ability to remotely disable interior monitoring are expected to become standard features. Remember to use genuine parts to prevent warranty issues. VW's TSB 205-2025 addresses false triggers in models from 2018 onward. If unsure, consult a professional.